Hello guys and welcome back to our channel SciTech Infographer for a new informative video. In this video we're gonna know about the two vaccines that have been using in India in the treatment of COVID-19. Where they are prepared, how efficient they are, cost, availability and the gap between two doses. So don't skip the video in between and watch it completely so that you can get a clear image of the two vaccines. Before continuing, do subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon for more videos. With that said, let's start the video. The second phase of COVID-19 vaccination drive has already begun in India, and many of the people are still unaware of how the two vaccines, that is Covaxin and Covishield, are different from each other. Covaxin has been developed by a Hyderabad-based Bharat Biotech International Limited in association with Indian Council of Medical Research, that is ICMR, and National Institute of Virology (NIV). And Covishield has been developed by the Oxford AstraZeneca and is being manufactured by Serum Institute of India (SII). When it comes to how they are prepared, Covaxin is prepared on a tried and tested platform of dead viruses, and Covishield has been prepared using the viral vector platform, which is a total different technology from that of testing on dead viruses. The two doses of these vaccines should be taken at a particular interval of time. The interval between two doses in Covaxin is 4 to 6 weeks, and the interval between first dose and second dose in Covishield is 12 to 16 weeks. When it comes to efficiency, the Covaxin can be 78% to 100% efficient after the second dose, and the efficiency after the second dose in the Covishield vary from 70% to 90%. The vaccine should be given to a particular age grouped peoples. The Covaxin can be injected into younger people and as well as 12 years and above people, and the Covishield is injected into above 18 years of age grouped people. When it comes to cost, Covaxin is more expensive as compared to Covishield and is being sold at Indian rupees 400 for government facilities and 1200 for private facilities, where in other hand Covishield is less expensive as compared to Covaxin, and SII is selling this vaccine at 300 for government center and 600 rupees for private center. The availability of these vaccines is a big problem, but as of now, few hospital and healthcare centers are stocking Covaxin, and Covishield is more easily available. That's all for this video. Hope you came to know what are all the difference between Covaxin and Covishield. If you find this video as informative, like it, share it, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon for more videos.